One of the things that AI is very good at is identifying trends, and not only where those trends actually happen, but what the causes of those trends are. So, for example, in sales, let's say all of a sudden we have a spike in sales. AI is very good at identifying that it happened, but also probably identifying that the spike was caused because of an increase in sales, let's say in Germany, and it was because of targeted
Yeah.
marketing that was geared towards Germany at that point. So you can, tell that that it was successful, and that's one
Oh,
of
it's
the things that
beautiful.
AI can do very well and very insightful as to how your business is working.
Oh, nice, nice. I love that because that's something that our sales teams are always trying to figure out. Every company that I talk with, there's always a sales team trying to decide, is our marketing money being spent well? Is this project working? We've got this campaign and it's taking a ton of energy and time. Does it make a difference? Does it matter? Because if it doesn't matter, if it's not working, we'd really love to change to something else. We have 5 more ideas. We'd love to ditch this one if it ain't working. And if AI can help us identify those trends and the causes and the impact of those marketing campaigns, then yeah, that's a great use of AI because then we're putting our smart people on better projects.